Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you want a really unique lamp and plant stand, then you are going to love this one.
YKBU has made an obsession worthy plant hanger shelf. It is so beautiful with three tiers made from floating wood shelves with a hand woven macrame lampshade. It creates such a unique vertical display that also doubles as ambient lighting. They provide you with the hardware needed to hang this up. I thankfully already had a hook in the ceiling where I wanted this, but everything about this, the detail on it is so incredible. I put some pretty hefty plants on here and it had no problem keeping them elevated, and it just looks so perfect in my home.
I'm completely obsessed with this. It really just makes me step back in time. And I think everyone should have one of these in their home because honestly, it's just so beautiful. And that's my point of view.